Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add money to your PayPal with your credit card. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, in order to add money to your PayPal balance, there's actually no option to do this, but all you have to do to pay for something is to add your wallet. Is to add your credit card. So to add your credit card is pretty much simple. You're gonna go to your wallet, then you're gonna see your banks and cards and click add new. Then you're gonna choose debit and credit cards and enter your card information. Here you're gonna enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV, and also billing address. From here, now all of your payments will be done through your credit card. And the same goes for the refunds. So for example, I got a refund from Steam, and as you can see, it went straightly to my MasterCard debit card. So I didn't need to go ahead to PayPal and request the money to go to my card. This is just how it works with PayPal. Basically, you can pay for anything with your card and get refunds, uh, not straightly to your PayPal, but to your credit card through PayPal. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how it works. All you have to do is just add your card to your PayPal, and that's how you can use your credit card to pay with PayPal. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.